In this video, I will show you how to install headlights for your 98 to 2000 Ford Ranger. These are the set of tools that we recommend for the installation. Let's start this off by lifting up the hood. There are two 1/4 inch screws that you will remove that are being pointed by the red arrows. Now you can remove the corner bumper light and disconnect the light sockets. Next, remove two retainer clips that the red arrows point to. Removing those clips will allow you to completely remove the headlight and headlight bulb. Place a stock bulb in the new headlight and place the headlight back in the stock location. Now you can follow the steps in reverse. You're able to tighten all the bolts and screws back together. Make sure your lights are working properly. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.